Right now we're about to commence the month of Dhul Hijjah, and Allah speaks about some dua. What is a dua? Dua is a supplication. You call out to Allah, I call out to Allah, we all call out to Allah. What do we call out to Him for? For our needs. If He wanted, we would not have been in any need, but Allah created us such that we have needs, so that He can test us. Who are you going to call out to? You call out to Allah for what? All your needs. Number one, what I need urgently and immediately. What do I need? I need something to be able to live, to eat, to breathe. That's what I need. I need the ability to pray, the ability to do good deeds. I need that ability, that capacity. So your physical health, your economic, the little financial situation that you're in, you need it solved. You need something so that at least you can live a decent life. And the problem is, once we live a decent life, you know how man is. He always wants to live a more decent life. He wants a little bit more comfortable. I have a friend who bought a Range Rover. I told him, lovely car. He says, wait until I get my helicopter. I said, okay. Guy, we haven't even dreamt of this Range Rover and you're busy thinking of a helicopter. But it's fine. It's one of those things. It just goes to prove that, you know what? People are on different levels. The Range Rover, the helicopter, will not take you to Jannah unless you use it in the right way. And unless the more you get, the more humble you become. The more you reach out to people, the more you greet. Don't worry about what the world says. Greet. Learn to greet. One of the biggest sicknesses we face today is the fact that we don't greet. I can tell you, I've been to cities where the non-Muslims have greeted me more than the Muslims. Subhanallah. Non-Muslims look at you. Hello, hi, how are you? Have a good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And the Muslims just look at you. And after a moment, they recognize you. Is that Mufti Meng? Oh, Assalamu alaikum. You now want to greet me just because you recognized who it was? Not at all. May Allah help me first. May I become from among those who can clean my heart. And every one of us.